How to install iOS 16 beta on iPhone. Around September 2022, all compatible iPhones will receive the iOS 16 software upgrade in its final form, but the public beta is already accessible. This video shows the installation procedures for the iOS 16 public beta on iPhones, instructions for downloading and installing iOS 16 on an iPhone. These steps should be undertaken after backing up your iPhone, which enables you to return to the stable version of the operating system in case anything goes wrong, before installing anything. So please do a backup before you update to iOS 16. After you have done a backup, do the following. On your iOS device, open up Safari and navigate to the Apple Beta Software Program website. You go to the site beta.apple.com. Tap the Sign Up button and enter your Apple ID credentials, or sign in with your Apple ID if you've signed up to beta test a previous update. After signing in, you'll see the main screen that's a guide for public betas. Read through Apple's instructions carefully, and then using the link in the Get Started section, select Enroll your iOS device. Make sure to make an archived backup of your current version of iOS using Finder by following Apple's instructions or using our tutorial below. This will allow you to downgrade back to iOS 15 if necessary and is crucial if you don't enjoy the iOS 16 testing experience. Scroll down and tap on the Download Profile button. When you see a pop-up that says the website is trying to download a configuration profile, tap on Allow. Now open up the Settings app on your iPhone device. Tap on the Profile Downloaded section that's located right below your Apple ID information. In the upper right corner of the screen, tap on Install. Enter your passcode and then tap Install again. Tap Install again. Tap Done. Your phone will prompt you to restart. Restart the phone. After that, tap again on Settings. Under General, choose Software Update and then Download and Install. Once the beta update has been downloaded, you can tap on Install Now to get it set up. And from there, the iPhone will install the software, restart, and you'll be up and running with the iOS 16 software. You have now installed iOS 16 on your iPhone. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.